if you come along to 180 or you've got children who do, then we want to let you know about a trip that they're going to be going on the 15th of February. They're going to be going to play laser tag, and it's going to cost you the bargain price of just £3 for 2 games. You can book your child in via our website or via Exchange, or you can pick up a form from the welcome desk and pay your money as well. So that's laser tag on the 15th of Feb for 180 youth. Ladies, today is your last chance to sign up for our Devoted Pizza and Play evening. If you haven't bought your ticket already, then you can get it today and today only for £7. That will give you a night of food and fun and fellowship. Pizza is the food. We hope you can join us at 6 p.m. on the 2nd of February for that. For Devoted Pizza and Play, get your tickets today. We're excited to have Watoto Children's Choir joining us again on the 8th of February, but unfortunately all of the tickets have already gone. So if you have tickets already and you're no longer able to make it, please let us know so that we can reallocate those tickets to someone else who'd like to come. And if you don't have tickets yet but you'd still like to come, then there's a waiting list you can put your name on if there's some tickets that become available. As there's 5 Wednesdays in the month of January, we've got the second of our leadership development nights this coming Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. Everybody is welcome to attend, and we've got special guest speaker Martin Story from Christian Life Ministries in Coventry coming to speak to us. We hope you can make it for that on Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. If not, then remember you can check out our website or speak to the welcome team for more details about anything that goes on here at Excel Church. We hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for some more Excel news.